Hello everyone, you're welcome again to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to share how you can improve your communication skills. Okay, so there are two kinds of conception that is working in the communication line. That First you need to understand that just learning the English is not all about your communication. Okay, learning the English is the different thing because that is considered as the language, and your communication skills means how you can pursue any person for some specific work, and how can you deliver your message in a very clear and cut manner to your frontal person, okay, with whom you are talking to. So that is called the communication line. So I have cleared you here that what is learning English and what is learning communication skills. So in this video we are going to particularly talking about your communication skills, not about your English speaking skill. I will make the separate video about your English learning. Okay, so don't worry any people, if you are not feeling comfortable in speaking English, then I will also make the video and providing you some of the very drastic tips over there which will transform your whole life. So be connected to here. So let's begin this session. So first, in order to improve your communication skill is commanding over the language that is spoken very well. Okay, suppose that if you are a native speaker of Hindi like me, then it is very much important for you to be confident in your language and fulfilling your mind with the content. Okay, so grasping the knowledge is very priority you should give into it. Okay, mean a most priority you should give into your knowledge, and to gather the knowledge you can take different kind of sources. In the present, the social media is a good platform to consume the different knowledge about the different sectors in a very comprehensive manner, or the explanation is also quite well of some of the speakers on the YouTube. uh, so I would suggest you to listen them. And what happens in listening, because it improves your listening power, and that is a most important part of the communication process, the listening skills. Here you have to focus upon, if you are communicating with someone, you cannot answer the question properly until or unless you understand the question very well. Okay, if you understand the question very well, you can answer that person just in a single line. But can it be possible that you have not listened what the question was asked, and you are speaking the 50 lines, and even that your 50 lines is not covering the answer of that question? Okay, so it may possible for you, if you're listening the well, then you can give a very satisfactory answer to your frontal person. So that becomes very much important for you. And the second tip which I would like to share with you is your participation. Okay, or you can say your initiative that you can take while you are speaking with someone. Okay, you can start your conversation with anybody. Okay, if the person is a stranger, then that is a benefit for you. You don't have to be hesitate in front of them. Whatever you know, if you are learning English, then you can start speaking in English, because it happens with everyone. You are not a special person who is facing the problem in communication skills, but many of the person who start, even when I started, then I had many of the difficulties while speaking in English in front of anybody. But I always had in my mind that until or unless I take initiative, I go in front of the people and I speak, I cannot improve my communication skills. Okay, so that is why I would also like to recommend you, whenever you get the opportunity to speak in front of the people, always stand. At the first day your hands, your whole body will shiver, but with the passage of time you will see, you will observe that your communication skill is gradually improving, and the fraction of time which you are taking to be go in the comfort zone, that will be decreased. Okay, so it is depending upon your practice. How do you practice? You must read a lot, you must speak a lot. As much you read, the knowledge you grab, just you have to deliver it. That is the simple process, and that is the mean clear and cut method which I would like to recommend you to improve your communication skills. And further we will discuss in the second part how are you can improve your communication skills, and we will also talk about the English speaking skills. So if you like this video, so don't forget to share and be connected to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification. So thank you very much for listening me.